Hey guys, my name is Mace here at South Bay Hyundai, and today we're gonna do something special. We're gonna go out for a drive in the all-new Ioniq 9. Let's check it out. All right, put the car in the drive, and I do want to start off in eco mode. Beautiful. We're going. Now you guys are actually gonna get a very first reaction. It's my first time in this car, first time behind the wheel. And I gotta say, I'm liking what I'm feeling already. I know I've said this about each Ioniq I've driven, but they've done that well with the product. The drive has been nice. How things are set up has been nice. Usability is very friendly. Yeah, so we're gonna see if this one, you know, matches up to that same standard. But like I said, so far I do like it. I like the positioning of everything from the seats to the console to the buttons. And of course, I'm a little used to Hyundai, so there may be some bias there. But ain't nothing wrong with the winning team. I'm gonna try out the acceleration right now in eco mode. That felt great to me, especially being a 3-row. Pretty seamless. For the sake of the video, I don't want to wait for this light, but I kind of want to go to that dip, so I'm gonna see. Nah, we're still green for a while, so next time, guys, next time. Turning feels good. Turned on my lane keeping lane follow assist. But so far I would say it definitely feels familiar to the Ioniqs, the drive, smoothness, etc. It doesn't feel too big, but I can kind of tell I got a lot more back there than with the 5, if that makes sense. But it looks like it seamlessly fits into the lane. Nothing's awkward as far as arm placement. This is cool. I like this display. Nice. For the sake of it, look around. I'm gonna switch drive modes now. This is normal. You can feel the difference per usual. Yeah, this doesn't feel like I'm lacking in speed or anything. It doesn't feel sluggish. Handling these curves pretty well. I'm gonna get this right up here. Yeah, this is a nice turn. So far, nothing feels, you know, off or out of the ordinary. Feels good, comfortable, smooth. Feels like I'm sliding right through the streets. Probably shouldn't say sliding. All right, I didn't really feel those bumps too much. I do want to try sport mode before we get back, so go. feel the difference instantly. Like trying to not make us go forward. Doing this for y'all. That feels good. Smooth. It's going. I don't feel like I'm, wow, come on Tesla. I don't feel like I'm struggling to get it to go faster. It feels like an EV should feel like. It's most likely the all-wheel drive function as well. I mean, powertrain. Is that a Mach-E behind us? Nice. This feels good. And I can't even say I'm a huge SUV person, but so far between the 9, the 5, I have no complaints. I don't hear anything out of the ordinary. I like the design. Very sleek and futuristic. And for them to add the 360 cameras, even on some of the lower trim levels, I think great idea, Hyundai. I want to say kudos on that. Because that's something that a lot of people do look forward to. And it's not always great when you have to get everything with that. This is good. We got heated and cooling seats. Great. Parking sensors, auto hold. Nice, I love auto hold. Yeah. People are gonna like this. Let's go for a drive. Sport mode definitely works. Gonna take us back to regular. If you don't mind, I'm gonna bust a U-turn up there. Yeah, for a 3-row, it's pretty cool. Let's see what the reverse looks like. Yeah, everything I'm used to. And don't worry about the lines, guys. I'm just lining up with the car next to me, but that felt great. That definitely felt great. Even parking it, I didn't feel like it's too much or anything. So yeah, if you're looking for a 3-row, fully electric, check these out. I would actually highly recommend it. A lot of times people have a lot of hype for cars coming out and there's a lot of craze just because they're new and et cetera, but no, this is definitely something worth looking into. And I'm not just saying that because I have an H on my chest. Here we are. So that was the Ioniq 9. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see it for yourself, please stop on by and take one of these for a spin.